Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number 1207, unique number of occurrences, easy level. Given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique, or false otherwise. So let's solve it. What we need to do? We need to count number of occurrences of each item. For instance, in example 1, you can see an array with 3 ones, 2 2, and 1 3. The number of occurrences uh, is 3, 2, and 1. This list is unique because each number appears once. In the example 2, we have a list with 1 and 2. The number of occurrences is 1 and 1. So we have two the same numbers, so it's not a unique list. So we need to find is the number of occurrences unique. Let's do it. What we need to do? We what we can to do? We need to find number of occurrences, and because I use Python, I can do it using function counter from the package collections. Function counter return dictionary with keys is items from a list and values the number of occurrences of each item. And the second thing, I will create an empty set and check each number of occurrences, and if if each number exists in the list exists in the set, I will return false. Otherwise, I add this item to the set. Finally, I return true. Let's do it. First of all, let's create empty set. Second thing, let's check each occurrence. Let's call function counter here. Now I have a dictionary, but I need only values. So I never mind. It's about each occurrence. I need only numbers. So I can use function values, which return a list of numbers. In our case, it's a list of occurrences. And let's check each occurrence. If I in S, in which case return false. It means that we have the same occurrence before. Otherwise, let's add this occurrence to the set. We can add it using method add of set. And finally, return true. Let's check this. Test passed, submitted. This algorithm has a linear time complexity because function count check each item in input argument r, and also it has a linear memory complexity because set s depends on the size and items in r. So that's it. It's a very simple problem. So see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.